What's up guys, Matwire here back with another video, and today I'm going to be changing the windshield wipers on my BMW. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I do apologize, I know I haven't been posting videos very often. That's because I'm in the process, well I was in the process of buying a new house. So I'm in my new house currently. Been really busy, but now I'm back. So a lot of content is going to come flooding through real soon. I do apologize, like I said, I did just move into a new house. There's a lot of construction going on back here. So there's a lot of construction noises, but I try to do the best I can with what I got. Let's get right into it. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at Matwire. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and give a like to this video if you like it. So if you're looking here at the BMW, the windshield wipers are a little odd because you can't just lift them up like a regular vehicle because it ends up hitting right here on the hood. And then same with the other ones, you can't just lift because it will hit right there. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get them up into the up position so that way you can change them. Guys, so right now we're in the cabin of the BMW. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna press the start stop button once. And it's gonna go in accessory mode. You're gonna see all the lights come on, and then you're gonna wanna press it again to turn it off. Once you do that, you're gonna click up on this windshield wiper lever twice. So one, and on the second one, hold it. You'll see your windshield wipers come up one time, and on the second time, they should stop just like that. So once they're in this position, you have free reign to just pull them up just like that. And then when it comes to changing them, what you're gonna do, you're gonna press on these little clamps right here and push out first like that. And then it should slide right off, just like that. Now you do wanna note that the driver's side windshield wiper is significantly longer than the passenger side. And that's how they come in the box as well. So when you're replacing them, you wanna make sure you're putting the correct one on the correct windshield lever. And an easy way to make sure you have the correct one is just hold the new one, which is the one I'm holding right now, up to the old one. And as you can see, this is the driver's side one. So to reinstall, you're just gonna place this little clamp on this hook up here. So I'm gonna do that now. It's gonna be like, kind of hard to do with one hand. But just like that, and once it's on there, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna pinch these two things in, and then bring the whole windshield wiper down, and then let it go. And it should snap in place, just like that. So once it's in place, you're good to go. You're just gonna repeat the same steps on the under windshield wiper, and then you'll be good. Alright guys, and just like that, that's how you change the windshield wipers on your vehicle. This is a very simple install, very short video. I know some of you are probably like, why are you showing us how to do that? But believe it or not, this is very helpful. Most people don't know how to do this. Me being one of them, I didn't know how to do this. Not gonna lie, before I actually had to learn to do it. So very simple install, but obviously you need to know how to do this because the windshield wipers will go bad, and then if they're not working properly, then it's not safe. Also, I'll go ahead and link in the description the OEM windshield wipers that I got, so you guys can get them for your BMW as well. But just like that, that wraps up this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions, concerns. Like I said, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at Matwire. Please consider subscribing to my channel. If you liked this video or thought it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out tremendously. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now.